This just might become your new go-to pasta recipe once you find out what spices are in this dish. Hey everyone, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Rasta Pasta. Now, if you've never heard of Rasta Pasta, it's an incredible combination of pasta, shrimp, jerk seasoning, and then there's some sauteed bell peppers, and the creamy sauce just ties everything together, and it's just an incredible recipe. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is cook the pasta. So bring a large pot of water to a boil and make sure it's salted well. Then go ahead and add 1 pound of penne pasta and then cook it until al dente. And then right before it's just about ready to be done, reserve 1 cup of pasta water. Be careful, it's really hot. And then go ahead and drain the pasta out and then just put it back into the pot. Then place the lid back on and let the pasta hang tight while you work on the rest of the recipe. Now, in a separate bowl, add 2 pounds of large peeled and deveined shrimp, along with 3 tablespoons of jerk seasoning, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne if you like it a little bit spicier. Then grab a spoon and mix everything together until it's thoroughly combined. Now, you can always use jerk seasoning paste, but I find it kind of hard to find in grocery stores, so I stuck with the spice mixture instead. Once the shrimp are all mixed up, bring a skillet to medium-high heat, then add in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and then add in half the shrimp. You don't want to add them in all at once because they will not cook properly. You want to make sure to have a single layer of shrimp so they brown on each side. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. So just go ahead and flip them over, do another 2 to 3 minutes, and once they're all cooked through, they're nice and pink and browned, just use some tongs to transfer all of the cooked shrimp into a clean bowl. I'm telling you guys, once you're cooking these shrimp, your house will smell amazing, and you're probably going to be snacking on these shrimp before you even add in the pasta. They're so good. Alright, now you want to add 2 more tablespoons of avocado oil into that same skillet. And now you can add in the rest of the shrimp. And you want to follow the same exact process. So cook the shrimp in a single layer for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, then go ahead and flip it over and cook another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Then transfer all of the cooked shrimp into that same bowl. And now the next thing you want to add in is 1 red bell pepper. I like to slice around the core of the bell pepper. That way you don't even have to deal with taking out the seeds. So once you got those big slices out, just slice it up a little finer into perfect julienne slices. And you want to do the same exact thing with 1 orange bell pepper as well. So just slice it up into julienne slices and then add both of the bell peppers right into the skillet. Then stir at medium heat for a few minutes. Now use a sharp knife to finely mince up 4 garlic cloves. Now, I don't know about you, but I always find it so much easier to mince up garlic after smashing it. It's also kind of satisfying, so try it! Once the garlic is all minced up, add it right into the skillet with all the bell peppers. And then just stir it around for about 30 seconds or until the garlic is nice and fragrant. Now bring the heat to medium-high and add in that reserved cup of pasta water. Let it come to a simmer, and then go ahead and add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now give that delicious sauce a nice good mix, and then let it come to a simmer. Then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning, then give it a good thorough mix. And then you want to turn the heat off and add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese as well. Now at this point, you might want to try the sauce and see if you need a little more salt and pepper according to your taste buds. Once the Parmesan cheese is melted into the sauce, go ahead and add in those delicious cooked shrimp. Then stir everything together until the shrimp are well coated into the sauce. And now you can go ahead and add in the cooked pasta. Then carefully stir the pasta into the sauce. Now I must warn you, it's gonna be pretty full. This makes a rather large portion, but this stuff disappears really fast, and leftovers reheat really well too. Once the pasta is mixed together thoroughly, slice up 2 green onion nice and finely and then garnish it right over the pasta and enjoy. You guys, my house smells amazing, and it's all because of that delicious jerk seasoning. Now, if you've never tried jerk seasoning, you'd be surprised at what ingredients that go into it. So there's stuff like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. I know it sounds kind of weird to put stuff like that in a savory dish, but believe me, once you try this, you will thank me. It is so good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you guys never miss out on any of our new recipes. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.